Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you the proper use of the wax rim former that comes in the removable smile design kit from Ivoclar Vivadent. So I know everybody is really fond of dentures and your wax relation visit. So what we do is, here we have a wax rim that comes back from the lab. I choose the ideal incisal edge position based upon an at-rest position in the patient's mouth. Once we chose that spot, now it's really easy to melt the wax rim to ideal, which with this wax rim former, on 85% of the time, it's also going to give you the ideal occlusal plane. So I did preheat it a little bit, but I just want to make sure it's super hot. So here we go to heat this up again. You want to make sure that your wax rim former is hot to melt the wax. Now what you're going to do is this edge of the wax rim former, you place it in the hamular notch area. Make sure you keep it in that area. And now just rotate the rim down. It's going to melt the wax till your chosen central incisor position. And now you have an ideal wax rim. 85% of the time, there's not going to be any cant. It's going to be perfect for your patient on your wax relation visit. So this is just one of the tools in the removable smile design kit from Ivoclar Vivadent.